to be fair, it is a bit archaic, isn't it?
There she goes. Look at that old gearing, look. Yeah, it is, yeah.
I think we'd have got a great shot on the other
I know.
platform,
I was at the other, when it came down before. I might do that again another time. You alright? Or coming up across the other side, you know. I just see Dora in there, look. They're lucky to have a seat that side. A few empty seats on it there, don't know if it's picking up elsewhere, yeah. That's brilliant, isn't it? Brilliant.
So all this infrastructure was being done when I travelled up on the line.
Yeah.
You know, knock down the loco shed and
Yeah. It's now
carriage side into
rugby, it's a rugby field, isn't it?
Is it?
Yeah.
How do they get across on the low level?
Well, they go up to get onto the Gospel Oak line a little bit further up.
Yeah.
There's a set of points there.
Oh, it's got
Oh yeah, look.
Western Star.
Okay, thanks for